Hello viewers, this is Life Essential Health Channel. Today we're going to talk about how to do a foot massage. Our feet are a very important part of our body. It carry all the body system, all the body weight and help in moving around to do every physical activity. Holding the heel with one hand and toes with the other hand, give the ankle a clockwise rotation 3 times and anti-clockwise rotation 3 times. Now hold the sole in between the palms and give it a to and fro motions 3 to 5 times. Finally, hold the ankle in between the palms and give it to and fro motion 3 to 5 times the ankle joint. Now come to the big toes. Hold with one hand and with a sliding motion starting from the base of the toes. Pull it the tips outwards and press the tips. You can give a kneading massage to the entire sole with your knuckles. In the center are all the organs, corresponding organs. Relieves the fatigue, normalizes your blood pressure, normalizes the heart rate. Also helps in balancing the bronchitis, relaxes the diaphragm. Start from the middle of the heel all the way up to the big toe and press the tips of every finger. This stimulates the brain activity, helps you think clear, quick, increases the memory and attention span of your brain. The inner side of the heel and go all the way up behind the ankle joint with a gentle caterpillar motion of your thumb and massage this area. This helps in kidney health and also increases your urine output. You can massage with a caterpillar motion of your thumb from center of the heel all the way up to the big toe that correspond the spines and from inwards also. This helps in correcting your posture. It also reduces any pain or inflammation in the back area. If you pull the toes outwards, you can see a raised skin that corresponds to the adrenals. Pressing on this point relieves the edema and inflammation throughout the body for at least 1 minute. You press in the center of the foot that corresponds to the kidney point. It helps you keep calm and relaxed. It takes away the fatigue in the entire body. It helps in the thyroid functions also. Pressing the big toe also helps in the brain functions and balances the hormones production in the entire body. Holding with one hand and sliding with the other hand, you can give your entire corresponding to the spine area a slight twist. And you can press the big toe in the center, holding it for 10 seconds one time, and you can repeat it 3-4 times. That stimulates the brain pineal function and balances all the hormones production from brain to the entire body. You can give anti-clockwise and clockwise rotation to the entire ankle, putting the lymph in the flow like that. Supporting the toes with one hand, press the tips of the toes 5 to 6 times. It stimulates brain activity. It also releases allergies, flu symptoms. Then massage big toe starting from the base, pressing towards the end of the tips, sliding with one hand and supporting the toes with the other. from base towards the tip of the toe. Pull it along and massage, sliding with your fingers, pressing the tips from base towards the tip of. Massaging the big toe helps in better memory, more attention span, and concentration, and stimulates the brain activity. You can massage the entire area from heel all the way up to big toe, corresponding to the spine, for releasing any tension, fatigue in the back, inflammation and pain also. Toe on the inner side has a raised papilla. If you press on it for 10 seconds 2 or 3 times, it stimulates pineal body in the brain and helps in hormonal functioning, better functioning of hormones throughout the body, and establishes the emotional balance of the body too. Sliding outside, fingertips on the outer side in between the bones, metatarsal bones, from the base of the toes towards the ankle, helps in better nerve conduction and blood circulation, and also put your lymph to flow properly. You can massage from the heel all the way all around the ankle joint. This area helps in better reproductive functions also, and generating reproductive hormones in both male and females. Similarly, this area can be massaged from inside or outside the foot, going towards the ankle and all around the ankle. Sliding your fingers on the back of the heel and circular caterpillar thumb action, massaging on the outer side, around and behind the ankle joint, above, going up the arm, releases the pain in sciatica in the hip area. It helps in the inflammation and pain around the hip area and thighs, and also releases some kind of tension built in hip joint section. Hold the toes with one hand and see the underneath raised skin area right below the sole of the foot. That is the adrenal point. It's essential to press with both the thumbs for 1 to 2 minutes. It relieves all kind of inflammation throughout the body, also helps in edema relief also. Right below this area normalizes the blood pressure, heart rate, and proper circulation of the blood. Massaging the sole of the foot have all the organs. It helps in bronchitis. Oxygen is inhaled through lungs and diaphragm, and we eat food and drink as energy source. Our body digests, body absorbs, body circulates, body stores the energy sources, and body transfer energy sources to different entities and burn the energy for daily activities. Body's energy balance is required for maintenance at rest, physical activities, movement, and for food digestion and absorption transfer. Negative energy balance can lead to decline in metabolism, reduction in hormonal production, inability to concentrate, thinking clear, and also reduction in physical activity. Overfeeding, under-exercising in terms of health and cellular fitness can result in plaques build-up in the arteries, BP, cholesterol. We can become insulin resistance, increases risk to our cellular health overall. Foot massage is like a metabolic intervention to ensure stable energy transfer regardless of energy imbalance. It helps in absorption of proteins, vitamins better by massaging the stomach, intestine, and large intestine area, makes us more restful, takes away our fatigue, make us move efficiently and productively to work better for all the activities. Now the other foot in between, you can hold the foot sole between 2 palms and give it to and fro motion. Also hold the ankle between the palms of the hand, giving to and fro motions couple of times. Helps in better circulation of blood and lymph throughout the body and releases all the fatigues, the muscle pain, tendons. So energy balance is achieved, which is monitored by the rich network of body systems, and the sole of the feet corresponds to all the body organs for us to be more productive and confident, healthy. Putting the hand with one hand and kneading the entire bottom of the foot where all the organs are. It helps in better absorption nutrients, proteins, vitamins in the stomach area, large intestine, small intestine area, and also relieves other digestive problems. Foot massage is very helpful for nerve conduction, blood and lymph circulation, hormonal production, and energy balance of biological clock, physical activity, reproductive cycle, reduces acute and chronic stress, pain, inflammation, so that we are more efficient and productive in doing daily activities. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for video notifications.